from night to the sun up. Come up, come up. We didn't have time for a turn up. We're grinding from night to the sun up. We're grinding from night to the sun up.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video. And guys, yes, that song in the beginning was called Come Up. And as you can see, guys, Bitcoin is coming up. It is coming up strongly. Anyway, getting all excited here, guys. Before I jump in this video, guys, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tick the little bell for a notification for when the next video drops, guys. And if you like me to do any other altcoin breakdowns or you have any requests, please leave it in the comment section. Anyway, guys, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is over 10,000 and it is well over 10,000. We're almost up to 11,000, guys. It is, price has been absolutely parabolic, guys. As you can see, guys, from these lows to now, price is absolutely on a parabolic rise. We are ripping through resistance after resistance, guys. We are ripping through this resistance like butter. I mean, just a quick thing, guys. Wasn't this region here 6,000? Wasn't that supposed to be hard to break through? I'm pretty sure 9,000. This region here was another region was impossible to get through. And look what happened, guys. Flown through it. And once again, guys, if you can see, I have this next major resistance. I've had this drawn on for about 3 weeks or so, 3 or 4 weeks, and look, we absolutely eclipsed that resistance, guys. That resistance was here. So this is what I was looking at. So let me just get rid of this. So like I said, guys, this was the resistance. This was the last high that we had. I mean, this was back in May. We just about almost tapped 10,000 and literally price got rejected, and then we just made lower high after lower high, and then we was in a full bear market. And guys, we absolutely annihilated this, guys. Absolutely annihilated. And now the next region I am looking at is this. It's quite easy to see, guys. This, we've had many price rejections in this zone here, and by the end of the day or by the end of the week, I believe we will try and attempt to even break through this. But the way that currently Bitcoin's moving, it would not even surprise me if we just absolutely slice through this as well. But caution, if you're currently buying Bitcoin at the moment, you're buying at yearly highs. So just a word of caution, guys. Do not FOMO in. Think like a trader, guys. What would you do? Like, I mean, the average Joe will be downloading, they'll be rebooting that Coinbase app at the moment and trying to find the login details. Everyone's going to be back into crypto. I think by come Monday to next week, the media outlets will be all over this. I mean, 10,000 was a major technical resistance, and it was also a major psychological. So 10,000 is a nice round number, guys. You know, like traders like to trade off round numbers. So back to price action, guys. Like, this is the new resistance, has to be. So what I'm gonna do, this here is getting moved right there, guys. So this is what I'm currently looking at, guys. And if I go into the weekly, just have a look at some targets and where I like to see price close. I mean, if we can close above this region here of 10,000, if we have a candle closure above by the end of the week, I believe this, we could even, if I just drag this across here, we could even trade within this region here, guys. we can consolidate in this region before making another attempt to break to the upside. So that won't bad. So I'm looking for a candle closure above 10,000. If we, I don't know, just for say we get a massive red candlestick or get a massive doji and price absolutely slams down, then that could be a sign of potential temporary reversal. But at the moment, it does not look like this is a massive bullish engulfing candle. It is literally way bigger than the previous two. Also, MACD here is looking very bullish. It shows that momentum is on the side of Bitcoin. It doesn't look like it's slowing down on the weekly chart. And guys, if you might have noticed, things like XRP, they have not been moving in line yet with Bitcoin. We haven't seen the altcoins move parabolic like Bitcoin has. But usually this is a good sign of what's to come. Don't forget, back in 2017, we had this massive rise in this parabolic rise in Bitcoin, but we only saw the altcoin run, an absolute altcoin rally happen slightly after. So what usually guys happens is when the people make crazy profits off Bitcoin, they will just reinvest that capital back into altcoins and try to drive up the price of altcoins. And currently looking at XRP, look at that, it's just nothing's major happened compared to Bitcoin. If we go to Ethereum on the other side, it will kind of show us where the altcoin market is currently going. I mean, at the moment, we have broken through 300. I mean, I've been calling for over 300 for about over a month, guys. If you watch my previous videos, you will see that I've had this region of 280 to 300 to 320 outlined for many months, guys. And once again, we took out this higher wick here, guys. This daily wick high. As soon as we took it out, I knew price was going to surge straight to over 300, easily smash through that, and now we're going to test these previous highs which we have over here, which was back in August last year, guys. So once again, Ethereum on yearly highs, Bitcoin on yearly highs. Has the bull market officially started? I mean, to me, guys, this is showing me everything you want to see, but just I'm a little bit cautious because we had such a parabolic rise, guys, and usually when you got a lot of parabolic rise, you get parabolic down as well, guys. So I just want to see this hopefully sustain above the $10,000 region, guys. Hopefully sustain, maybe trade, like I said, maybe we can trade and consolidate within this zone here between 10,000 and 11,000 before we make another attempt to absolutely rip to the upside, guys, and then we can look for further targets. Anyway, guys, this was a last minute decision to make this video, guys. I had to cover this crazy price action we've seen over the past few days, guys. I mean, we went from 9,000, people were saying that's it, we're going to 9,600, and then price is back to reverse. But some people have been calling for a reversal from 6,000, guys. They have been wrong time and time again, guys. The trend is your friend. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and tick the little bell to get the notification. Leave a comment in the section, and like I've been saying for many months, guys, I'll see you guys on the moon, and we'll already get in that spaceship. Crypto Chris over and